Hi students, in this video we're going to talk about how you can stay organized using some built-in features in Google Classroom. So here on the main Google Classroom dashboard, you'll notice that this student is enrolled in one class. Right here on the tile for this class, it shows all of the upcoming work that you might have. So for this student, on Tuesday, they need to read chapter 4. And as a student, you can always click and get into that assignment that shows up here. If you're in more than one Google Classroom, you'll have tiles for all of your classes here, and all of them will show your upcoming work. Another great way to view upcoming work is using the to-do list in Google Classroom. So if you click on the hamburger or the three lines here, and then click on to-do list. By default, it will show all of the work you have for all of your classes, but you can also click on this drop-down arrow and you can go into individual classes. You can even go into archived classes that you have. But for this student, since they just have the one class that they're enrolled in, we can see all of the work that's coming up. At the top, you'll have any work that does not have a due date. So this read chapter 1 doesn't have a due date. Your teacher might tell you when they want this due, but they didn't put it into Google Classroom. The two following assignments down here have due dates. This assignment is due June 16th, and this assignment is due June 19th. So this is a great place that you as a student can come to view what you need to do for each of your classes in Google Classroom. If you want to check work that you've already completed, you can click on the Done tab. And for all of your classes, all of the work that you've finished and you've turned in will show up here. For this demo class, this student hasn't completed any work, but once you do complete work, it will show up here. So be sure that you use these tools to help keep you organized using Google Classroom.